What's up? Minitruck? Oh, there you are. Not again. You've been left outside again. Let's go get them 23-inch tires. I've been getting a lot of people asking what do I get for miles per gallon. I'm still on the first tank. As soon as I fill it up, I'll let you know. They're claiming 40 to 50 miles per gallon, everybody else I see. And these are DOT. These had a lot stiffer sidewall than the ones that are on there. They were good tires. Well, I've changed these tires so many times now. Look at this old gem. I've had this a while. The mouse have overtaken it. I can use that tree saver on the Mini. Someday maybe we'll redo this. If the earth doesn't take it first. I do know one thing. Once I put these wider rims on that are like 2.5 inches wider, sticking out offset, it's not going to fit on that trailer anymore. Another thing, I'll put these on, but I really can't put fender flares, or it takes the functionality of flipping this side panel down off of that flatbed. If they stick out, they're going to stick out. It'd be good for shows and the road and stuff. This way I can use these off-road and whatever. I don't have to worry about it. Paint the rims black. This time I'm going to use my little screwdriver impact, because these don't have to be that tight. The torque on these. Minitruck's going to have 2 sets of wheels. The old valve stem with the Schrader valve. That's what that little valve is in there. That is a Schrader valve. I gotta tell you, I got a comment. I gotta show you this. Now see? This is called dedication to getting a mini truck. I got that stuck in my head too. Oh brother. These are directional. Let me look up the torque for these. Hey Google, what's the torque on ITP beadlock bolts?
Here are some results.
Impact wrenches are not recommended at any point during installation due to the possibility of over tightening. So don't do that. Crisscross, blah blah, 12 and 14 inch beadlocks are 10 foot-pounds. 120, right there is 125. That's very light. Don't use an impact, and if you use this, do it very lightly. So I'm going to go around and redo all of these. Might as well do it the proper way. I'm still going to use this.
I do what I want.
Matter of fact, next time we do it, we're going to check the torque. I'll know exactly how to do it. 100? I don't know. I don't know what the impact is, but definitely don't drive him down with that. One down. Look at me doing by hand. Oh, I got it. Hell yeah. They're pretty damn close though.
Crossroads is a tight thread.
That's right.
You ever think that Black Diamond is probably like a stripper name?
I just got finished whacking my bush off. I've made it to Club Babes ATL, and I'm in the dressing room with real dancers.
Black Diamond. Oh wait, I gotta do these by hand too. Not. A little tampon here.
Tampax tampons, the #1 choice.
It's a 205/70 R12. So 205/70 R12 is a 23 by 8 cool. Well, that's what it says on their spec sheet, so it is what it is. Last tire. These are pretty though, aren't they? It is a good idea to use a torque wrench though, because a couple of these I did light. Alright. Get that mouse! These beadlocks do take a lot longer than a regular tire, for sure. That's all she wrote! Someday I'll have a big shop. Oh, she's gonna pop.
Once you pop, you can't stop.
I'm going to put 24 pounds in these. 25. There it is. Wow. That was violent. 25. I bet you it's because my lube dried up. Now right, boys. Oh, this is going to be a pop. This is going to be a big pop. Oh man, it didn't go yet. Woo! I had a viewer so kindly correct me. These are tires. These are wheels. This is the rim. I call them rims all the time. It's a bad habit. Maybe I'll break it, maybe I won't. Yeah, you know, I had a couple people offended by swear words. I don't mean to offend. They slip out. It's not an offensive swear. I'm not calling anybody anything. It's a fun, playful swear. I don't know if that makes a difference. I mean, if you watch Trailer Park Boys, you're not offended by swearing. Thank you for kindly correcting me on these things. Let's get these motherfucking rims on this sucker. Less talky, more worky. Well, they don't look as gnarly as the other tires, but those tires look gnarly. I want to put my 2-inch receiver on the front, and then I can put a plow on the front of this if I'd like to. Of course, I'm going to have to put some more structural reinforcement. Yes, I'm going to check these with a torque wrench this time. Yeah, look at that. Plenty of clearance. Oh yeah. A lot better. I don't have to cut you. There's a 12mm lugs, so it looks like 90 foot-pounds. I'm gonna have to save that. Yeah, that's right on 90. And that one had to turn maybe a 1/16 of a turn. What do you think, Minitruck? You like them? We'll leave Mom when we go to shows and stuff, and we'll put the steelies on when you're here and eating around through the woods. Don't ruin your good shoes. Good idea. Just go for a little test drive. Still bouncy though. I forgot how bouncy these tires were. They stick out a little farther, but I wish I could find a set of road tires to put on these actually. Let me drop the air. I'm at 18. I'll do 17 in the back and 18 in the front. Woo, chilly. Oh yeah. Heater cranks. Oh, there's my dad.
With less air in it, the same thing?
I got 18 in it now. It's still bouncy. So here, that's floored. Look it. That's not bad. With the bigger tires and everything, it took a little power away, but I'm not going to be driving this thing on the road all the time.
How does a regular tire? Like, no.
Can't find one this size, 12-inch rim. I'm going to have to go to like 13s.
Huh.
The only other car that made these style rims was a Mazda RX-7.
Huh.
And they're hard to find.
Throws good heat.
Oh yeah, the heat's real good.
How many gears in it?
4.
Oh, that's good too. It's amazing how this fits in there. And what did you pay for this?
45. Deer cocky. Oh, there's deer cocky all over the place here. I hope that's not deer cocky. Someone had a suggestion for Dynamat. That's a good idea. A little noise deadening. Had a request for turning radius, and it's a good request. Let's see.
Don't turn around.
13 foot 5 inches. 13 foot 5 inches. Wow. I do like those rims, and I was wrong. These are 12 by 7 with a 4-inch offset and a 3-inch overhang. V's here. What's up, V?
Hey man, so what's going on?
Just working on the truck.
I got something for What's Up Minitruck.
What's this?
I'm gonna put it on for you. It's a surprise.
I won't look then.
Take a look.
What'd you get? Nice. Did you just assume my truck's gender?
I did. Is he gonna be offended?
I don't know. Billy Ball Bags.
Oh!
Kicked the right. Ah! It kicked the balls right off of it. Oh, that's good. Oh, look what we got, Minitruck. Oh yeah. You excited? We'll get these on there. Minitruck got its plates.
I think she's starting to suspect something.